In this video, we'll show you an easy alternative to using Google Tag Manager so you can spend less time configuring advanced tracking on your site and more time growing your business. So be sure to check out the links that we've left in the description, hit the subscribe button and notification bell, and be part of the conversation. Google Tag Manager is a free tag management tool by Google, and it allows you to use and update different code snippets called tags on your website. Different tracking services like Google Analytics, Adobe Analytics, Facebook Pixel, LinkedIn Insight, and advertising tools like Google Ads all require you to add a few lines of JavaScript or HTML code to your site to integrate with their services. With Google Tag Manager, you can easily add and manage all these codes from a single interface without having to edit your website's code. But there's a much easier alternative to using Google Tag Manager. Using MonsterInsights, you can set up advanced tracking and get features like e-commerce tracking, link and button click tracking, form conversion, and much more right out of the box. Now, to set up Google Tag Manager for WordPress, you'll first need to visit the Google Tag Manager website and then click the Sign Up button. Next, sign in with your Google account. Now you'll see the Google Tag Manager's Create Account page, so click on the Create Account button to get started. On the next screen, you can add a new account. You can use your company name as your account name, and then choose a country in the Account Setup box. Next, you'll need to set up your container. A container is a collection of tags, triggers, and all configurations installed on a website. You can enter your website name as your container name. Choose Web under the Where to Use Container option, and then click the Create button. Now you'll need to accept the Google Tag Manager Terms of Service Agreement to proceed. Be sure to check the box next to I accept the data processing terms as required by GDPR at the bottom, and then click the Yes button at the top right corner. If you'd like to learn more about GDPR, then see the link in the description to read our guide on GDPR and Google Analytics. Now, once you've accepted the terms of service, you'll see a new pop-up window appear on the screen with code snippets to install Google Tag Manager on your site. There are 2 code snippets to be added to your website's header and the body section. Now we'll look at adding the Google Tag Manager code to your WordPress site. So first, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard and install the Insert Header and Footer plugin. Once you've installed and activated the plugin on your admin sidebar, hover your mouse over Settings and then click on Insert Headers and Footers. Now you see boxes for adding header and footer codes. So head back over to your Google Tag Manager account and copy the code in the first box, and paste the code into the Scripts in Header box on your WordPress site. Then copy the other code from your Tag Manager account and insert that into this Scripts in Footer box, and that's going to place the script before the closing tag. Now, although this isn't placed immediately after the opening body tag, as Google suggests, it will be fine as long as the snippet is enclosed within the body tag. After that, don't forget to save your changes. All right, now you've successfully installed Google Tag Manager on your WordPress site, and you can use your Google Tag Manager dashboard to install any tracking code to your WordPress website. Now you're ready to add code snippets or tags that are provided by your different tracking tools on your site. Google Tag Manager supports over 50 tag types, including Google marketing products and other third-party services. Plus, you can also add custom HTML and JavaScript tags to your site using Google's interface. To do that, just click on the new tag icon and follow the steps to create your first tag. If you need more help on that, be sure to visit the link in the description to see our guide on installing Google Analytics in WordPress with Google Tag Manager. Now we'll show you how to set up advanced tracking using MonsterInsights. By far, MonsterInsights is the best alternative to using Google Tag Manager. It's easier to use and eliminates wasting hours learning how to use a tag manager, so there's no need to go through that lengthy process of setting up individual tags on your WordPress site. And by using MonsterInsights, you'll remove any risk of making a mistake and messing up your tracking. Google Analytics doesn't track link clicks or button clicks by default, so you'll have to manually set up tracking for each of your links and buttons using Google Tag Manager or adding a piece of code to your site. But with MonsterInsights, you can track link clicks right out of the box. There's no need to set up additional tracking or editing any code. For example, you can set up affiliate link tracking to grow your revenue, see which outbound links are getting the most clicks, track clicks on mail to and telephone links. You can track file downloads on your site, track your call to action buttons to boost your conversions, and you can see which products people are buying by tracking the Add to Cart buttons. If you want to track the performance of your forms on your website, like your contact forms and order forms, using Google Analytics, then you'll have to set up tags for each of these in the Google Tag Manager. But if you use Monster Insights, it's super simple. All you have to do is install its form add-on, and the plugin will automatically track your forms. And you'll be able to see the data right on your WordPress dashboard. You can quickly and easily see the number of impressions, conversions, and conversion rates right on your forms report. And with just a few clicks, you can enable enhanced e-commerce using Monster Insights and find out how your online store is performing. With the Monster Insights e-commerce add-on, you can easily track your revenue, conversion rates, your most popular products, your conversion sources, and much more. Plus, knowing how customers are engaging with your site, like the pages they're visiting, the products that they add and remove from their cart, and see the amount of time they're spending before completing a transaction is going to help you make the adjustments to your site so you can boost your sales. And with Monster Insights, you can track the scroll depth of your website. Scroll tracking shows you how far people are scrolling down your page before they exit. Why is this helpful? Well, by knowing how far people are scrolling down the page before they exit, you can strategically place a call to action button to boost your user engagement and your sales. Now, don't miss the opportunity to get a special discount on Monster Insights, so be sure to check out the link in the description. And to learn more Monster Insights tips, tricks, and techniques, just click one of the videos on your screen now.